Welcome to Downtown Jewelry and Watch Company. My name is Shanna Miller, and I opened up the store in 2014 in the beautiful River District of Fort Myers. Our first location began in First Street Village, and then we opened up the second location on First Street just 3 years ago. The best thing about this location is the restaurants, the art center, the eclectic shops, and of course, Downtown Jewelry and Watch Company. We are a short distance to Centennial Park, where you can see a beautiful view of the Caloosahatchee River. We specialize in the sales and service of jewelry, watches, clocks, and family heirlooms. We take family treasures and bring them back to life. I found my niche in the Rolex market, both repair and sales. We currently have over 75 pre-owned Rolex in stock and have secured a reputation in Lee County as being one of the top sales centers for luxury watches. I also found my niche in the sale of larger diamonds and gemstones. You will see anything from the traditional 1-carat diamond up to 8 carats and larger. We're a family-run business, as we opened our doors just myself and my 2 sons in 2014. Our future goals include opening the next location within 6 months, as well as expanding into Collier County. Please stop in and check out our current inventory located at 2125 First Street across from Starbucks.